Welcome to Motivate Inspire 4. Are you looking for ways to manifest your desires? Manifestation is the practice of bringing things into your life with positive thought and action. In this video, we'll discuss 5 effective manifestation techniques that will help you reach your goals. 1. Create a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams. It serves as a reminder of what you want to achieve and can help keep you motivated and focused. To create a vision board, gather images that represent your goals and hang them in a place where you will see them regularly. You can also print out a list of goals and place it near your vision board. 2. Practice daily affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help you to shift your thoughts and energy towards your goals. Create positive affirmations for yourself, such as I am capable of achieving my goals or I am deserving of success and abundance. And repeat them to yourself each day. This will slowly start to shift your mindset and set you up for success. 3. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you to manifest your desires. Take some time each day to imagine yourself achieving the goals you set out for yourself. Feel the emotion of success, and picture yourself living your desired reality. 4. Get into the feeling. When manifesting, it's important to focus on the feeling of what it will be like to achieve your goal. Imagine how it will feel to have finally achieved what you set out to do and let that emotion drive you forward. 5. Take inspired action. Taking inspired action is key to manifesting your desires. When opportunities arise, follow that feeling and use it to take the next step towards achieving your goal. Focus on taking action that feels good and leads you closer to what you want in life. These are just 5 of the manifestation techniques that you can use to create the life you desire. With enough practice, you can turn your dreams into reality and manifest your goals successfully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.